chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the kitchen, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again, but I'm doing it outside. Somebody hit the pole down the street, so the PG&E, well, the electricity went out, so can't use the stove, the oven. And I got my mother-in-law here, and you know I gotta cook dinner, so I'm right here on the grill again. We're gonna go ahead and season these drumsticks, garlic powder. This is the last minute type thing. So dinner gonna be probably like an hour late. Try to eat at a certain time. So that's the garlic powder right there. Lemon pepper. Like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my phone, put this on the video for the family and friends if your electricity went out or whatever. We have some baked beans right here. I'm gonna add another can. Probably put some brown sugar in the baked beans. Yeah, I'm gonna put some brown sugar in the baked beans. Add another can. I got a little bit of water in there. We have some hot dogs right here. We just gonna put everything on the grill, let it do its thing. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Alright, so we're gonna add a little paprika for the color. Alright, so wait for everything to come on. Oh, that's crazy. Everything just came on right now. But I'm still gonna cook out here on the grill. Everything just came on. That's crazy. Alright, there we go right there, but I'm still on the grill now.
Let there be light.
You crazy. Okay, so that's how we looking right there. I added some corn, a little bit of seasoning, some oregano, some Italian seasoning. And that's how we looking. Okay, so that's how we looking, straight off the grill. So we'll put our hickory liquid smoke on there. TAPATIO on there. And we're gonna put this right back on the grill. Right back on the grill. But we're gonna have it covered in aluminum foil. And now we got some sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. cover this up. It's going back on the grill. And we'll get this good food on a nice plate. Okay, so this the other batch right here. Got a little blackness to it. Nice little color. And if you want to see the inside of the meat, there you go right there. Everything nice and done. So we're going to put our little sauce on there. Do the same thing to this batch. Just a little bit. And then we're going to add a little same little, ooh. My bad. Well, we added the same little, it went on there. My bad, it went on there. And we're going to add some of the sugar-free Yum Yum sauce. If it come out. Alright, there we go right there. Alright, that little bit that is pulled out, I'm gonna get that out of there. I'm gonna pour that out. There we go right there. That's how we looking. It's going right back on the grill. Cover it with foil. For like 25 minutes, if so. So you see your boy on the grill again. I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, I could do a little something on the grill. I had to show this. I had to. That Yum Yum sauce. Got that barbecue sauce. Yeah, I could do a little something on the grill. Yes, I can. Okay, so here we go right here. Like I said, the power went out. So I had to take it to the grill. And that came out fire. Look at that. That barbecue chicken and that Yum Yum chicken. I did my thing outside. I was gonna say right here in the kitchen, but you know we did this outside. So well, you know how to shake a little tail feather out there on the grill. You hear me? I hope y'all enjoyed my video. And don't forget, I had a good time filming with y'all. Hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.